Hello everybody, I'm just opening the Notepad++ again, and in this class what we're just talking about, actually we've made the beautiful area for our latest comments, latest post, and the user list and whatever I just did here. Now I just want to create some, actually our dashboard is completed now. I just want to create some more pages. So first of all, I'm just thinking to create the new post page. Okay, so what I have to do is actually first of all just simply copying the side area and the header. Header is already copied, so now I'm just simply copying the side area. Where is the side area? So this, the view post categories and all this is actually the side area, the complete column LG10. Oh no, this not, actually this is the side area. Okay, so simply the LG2. So what I'm just going to do is actually just copying this complete LG2, actually cutting and pasting in a new file and just going inside the include. Okay, and here I'm just typing, oh, not in this include, actually I have to go, okay, what is it inside this sidebar? This is the previous one, so I'm just deleting that sidebar and saving this. Okay, actually that sidebar is actually this one. Okay, so save that, and here just simply copy and paste it here. Okay, if you just remember that when I just made the admin folder first, then I just copied the complete include folder, and in the includes folder we just created the header, sidebar, and etc for the front end of the CMS system. But obviously we have to create some new things like header and the sidebar as we did for the admin panel. So let's just refresh that. Now I got the same thing without any problem. That means it is perfect. Okay, and now if I just open this sidebar, this is another sidebar and this is another, so I'm just canceling the previous ones because it can confuse us. So all that, I'm just canceling all that. So this is the sidebar.php, and here instead of ash, I'm just adding the index.php. So save that and refresh that. Okay, when I just click on index, now I'm inside the index.php, but when I just click on the new items, nothing should happen. But when anyone click on new item, this navigation will be open and collapse, and here this is the new post area and this should be the new post.php. So save that and refresh that back. Now when I just click on new post, now I'm on another page where I just didn't create that page. So now I'm just creating a new page and I'm just copying the index.php, and this index.php is the admin's index, okay, not the front ends. Save that, and actually just deleting that old pictures which are actually not important, all that. Okay, now just simply create a new file, new post.php, and just simply click on save button. Okay, so for now what I have to do, I have to delete all these panels because they are not really important. So first thing first, I'm just deleting these TRs and this one obviously. So let's just delete that. Let's just delete both of them and the body, and now I can easily delete the whole comments area obviously because we don't need all that things in the our general new post area. You know, we are in the new post page.php. Just confirm that we are not in the index.php, we are in the new post.php because I just copied all the data from the index.php. So I'm just deleting the data which is actually not necessary in the new post.php. So this is what I'm just doing here. Okay, so obviously we don't need the top area. I'm just deleting all that. So this, I just deleted that. Okay, there are a lot of data and we have to delete all of them, so I'm just deleting. This has gone and that one as well. Okay, now everything is fine actually. Now just delete that, and now the LG8 area is empty now. Okay, the first one is the MG3. Actually I should delete this one as well because this is the users area. So I have to delete the top blocks as well. Okay, I just deleted that, and no clear fix needed. Okay, I have to delete all the top blocks. So this is the third one, and this is the last one block. I just deleted that as well. So now I actually just deleted all the rough things from this new post page. Now this new post page has the area to put anything which you want. So now here I'm just going to the notepad again and just simply creating a new form here, okay, in this way, and here just clearing that we are inside the LG10. So by the way, what I'm just going to do, first of all, just mention that some classes of Bootstrap, and this form is actually the form horizontal. Okay, perfect. Now go here, but before that, one thing more I just wanted to add here, okay, the div and this adding, I'll correct them now, the class page header. Okay, what is the page header? I'm just typing here, I'm just setting the h3. Okay, I'll change this if it won't be good. New post, save that and go to the browser and refresh that. Now this is the page header, but the spelling should be h2. The h3 is not looking really cool. Okay, this is the page header. Okay, if I just add h1, I want to see the result. Okay, refresh that. This is looking more cool, but you know that this is the extra space I just added here. If I just delete that and save that back and refresh that, now this is looking more cool and more perfect, okay, because it is on top now. So now what I'm just going to do is actually creating the form here. Okay, the first one, div, or the main div should be the, you know, that I'm adding the class, the form group. Okay, and then some more things here, a label. Okay, cover that label. Okay, then the input area. So here I'm not copying the label because I just want the empty tag. The input is empty, you know. The type should be text, and then just save that and just add a class of, here I'm just adding the class label. Or before just adding the class, I just want to see the result that what I just made here. I'm just adding the for attribute, which is really important to add something here, the title. Okay, title, and here I'm just adding the ID of title. Okay, and here the title in capital letters. So save that and go to the browser, and I'm just going to refresh that. Now this is the thing which I just made, but I have to add the class here, form control. Now save that, go to the browser and refresh that. Now this is looking really perfect because I just got the full area to inserting my title. But one more thing I just want to do here, I'm adding another class, the container. Okay, now refresh that. Now this is inside the container. Or what if I just create another div here and just paste and just actually add the class of container here and actually paste the whole form inside that. Okay, well, at this time form has nothing, just one element or two, but here you can see that container is taking the whole space. So the problem is that we have this area as well, so we have to scroll this horizontally. But if I just add the float as well, okay, now in the float way it will manage this problem. Now you can see that our form is just compressed the area, so that is really perfect, which I just want. So what more I just have to add actually, if I just copy this form group, oh no, I just simply have to copy the form groups, not instead of all the data. So I'm just simply copying the form groups, and now here is the another the author name. So I'm just changing it, the author name. Okay, so now just go to the browser and refresh that. Now I got the outer area, but this area should not be look like that. I'm just changing the outer area. Actually, I'm just deleting this area. I don't need this area. This area will be automatically created obviously only one can be the author, the Shazib Kamal or the John Mark or any other registered user, by the way. So what I'm just typing here, the category, this is really important element if you just want to create something. So now refresh that. Now this is the category. So here is the category and that is the category obviously. Save that and refresh that. Now I got the category area. Just inside there. And what I'm just adding here, I'm just removing this, actually the input, I'm just adding this select, okay, some new thing I just want to do here. And at this time we have two categories, but obviously we will have a lot of categories here when we will activate it. The first one is the nature, the second one is the technology. Save that and go to the browser and refresh that. Now this is the thing which I just got. But the thing is, I have to add the class of form control. Okay, save that back and go to the browser and refresh that. Now this is the preferred thing which I just want to do. Okay, so here I'm just adding the ID as well, and the ID which I'm just adding here is the category. Okay, save that and go back to the browser, refresh that. Now I got the perfect thing. Now after the category, what is the more important or important thing actually? So the most important thing, I just forgot that I have to add the image area. So where to upload the image, I can add the image uploader at the top. So I'm just adding that here. This should not be the text type, this should be the actually file. Okay, by the file I will upload the images. Refresh that. Now I got the files area here, and here I'm just adding the BDN. Okay, save that and actually refresh that. Now this is the BDN. Close that and it is working perfectly. And BDN primary, save that and refresh that. Okay, this is not looking really cool because of the type, but no problem. Right now I'm just changing the title of it. Actually I'm not doing anything with this, I'm just changing all the things from here at the top, and here I'm just changing the title, and actually here I'm just typing the image or upload in image. Save that, and here I'm just changing the form control and just typing the BDN, press in space and BDN primary. Oh, this spelling is wrong, so let's just save that and go to the browser, refresh that. Now this is really perfect. So by the way, I just added the category, image and all other things, but one more thing I just want to add, and where to add, actually I just want to add the status of published or unpublished. But before that I'm just thinking to add this here after the category, and here I'm just adding the title, description. Okay, so this is the description. Finally I just created the area for that. I'm just adding the text area for getting the description, because description can be big. Okay, this is the text area, and I'm just adding the class of form control. Now let's just save that, and I'm just going to the browser, refresh that. Now this is the description area. Okay, I'll do some more things with the description, but right now I'm just copying this again, or I'm just copying this form group again and just pasting after that form group. And what I'm just going to do here, this should be the status. What is the status of this form? This post is actually draft or publish. Okay, draft or publish, but by default is it should be the published, but we can select the draft as well. So let's just refresh that, and I just created the beautiful form here. And the last thing is the button. Okay, so I'm just going to create the button here as well. So simply just copy the easy one and just pasting that after that new form group here. And what I'm just going to do here, I'm just removing the label, or not remove the label, simply save, and here just change the type of it, the submit. Okay, and now what I'm just going to do, I'm just changing the form control into BDN and save that and refresh that. Now this is a button which I just created. Okay, so let's just add in a space and type danger. Okay, button danger. Save that and refresh that back. Okay, this is the submit button which I just created. But what the size should be for the submit button? We can create a huge size. We can just create for example, how we can do that, if I just type btn block, save that and go to the browser and refresh that. Now this is looking perfect as well, so I think we should not need to change this. So let's just do more. The last thing is actually we have to add something here. We have to do something for this area, the description. So I'll do this for in next class because it is really important and really big. Okay, one thing more, if I just scroll my mouse here and just click here, now I'm going inside the file. I have to check the thing. Actually the this has the ID of uploading the title. Okay, and this ID of title as well. So first of all I have to change the title. Okay, image, and the ID should be image. Now here the description should be description, because you know that this is a really important thing. The ID of for this should be the description. Perfect. And then the button should not have any ID, so I'm just deleting the IDs from that, and actually I'm just deleting the label. Okay, the button don't need any label. Save that and go to the browser and refresh that. Now everything is fine. Now if I just click here on the uploading image or on the image, then you know what I'll get. By the way, if I just click on submit button, then my form has been submitted, but I have nothing to send. So guys, I'll do some more things in the next class. Stay tuned and goodbye.